It's Kylie in downtown Phoenix. Are you planning to bet for the Super Bowl? No, the taxman could be coming for you. What you need to know before you place some big bets on Sunday. Good morning, Arizona.
We told you a couple weeks back people placed more than $1 billion worth of bets in just the first 3 months of legal sports gambling in Arizona. Incredible. Now it's time to tell the taxman how much you may have won. Kylie is joining us with a look at what you need to know before filing taxes. Kylie, good morning.
Good morning, and before you place those big bets over Super Bowl, the numbers are really staggering. Just released late last night that almost $8 billion expected to be betted over the Super Bowl. And maybe you're at home, you're placing your bets. Maybe you're going to root for the Rams, you're going to root for the Bengals. There are some things that you need to know because you don't want to end up owing a lot of money in the end, because your gambling winnings, that's considered income, even if you are an amateur bettor and just do it from time to time. So let's say you bet online using a site like FanDuel or DraftKings. If your winnings total more than $600 a year, you've got to pay taxes on that. If you play and win at a sportsbook in person, the same rules apply. If your winnings are under $600, the IRS still wants to know. You just won't have to pay taxes on it. CPA Bob Hockensmith here in the Valley says you don't want to run away from the tax man because you could have to pay some steep penalties if you don't follow the rules. We asked Bob how much a bettor would have to pay in taxes on the winnings.
It depends on your individual tax bracket. So it could be zero if your income is below $13,000 for the year. It could be 10%, 12%. It can go as high as 43% if you're in the top tax bracket.
Yeah, that is a big number. So Bob says you want to be proactive if you're using different sites, if you're going into sports books. You want to keep track of your wins and your losses during the course of the year so you have an idea. Now, keep in mind, you can deduct your losses, but that's only if you itemize your taxes. So Scott and Olivia, I haven't done it. I'll admit my fiance is a frequent bettor, but some things you want to keep in mind because a lot of people do it, and obviously there is some dangers to it as well. But if you're doing it for fun, just know you could end up having to pay next tax season or this tax season, depending on what you won last year.
Always got to pay the tax man.
What about that little game we're playing with Jason Barry, the Super Bowl? The $20 a square thing.
Yeah, the squares. The squares are coming out.
That's going to be cash. You're going to be in the clear.
Unfortunately.
That's my kind of high stakes bet. That's my maximum. Kylie, thank you.